Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to make a quick tutorial on how you can redeem a code on Steam, and it will be a complete updated tutorial in 2025. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we are already in our Steam applications, and here you can see we have a couple of games here. But if you want to redeem your code, you just need to go onto the top on the right corner, then just click to your username. Once you click over here, then here you will get couple of options. Here you just need to click on this view my wallet. You will find out to the next to the start preference. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then here you can see add funds to your Steam wallet. So this is the place where you can easily add your funds to the wallet. So here you will find out your Steam account option. So under this Steam account option, you will get this redeem a Steam gift card or wallet card. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, then here you just need to be enter your Steam wallet code to add funds to your Steam wallet. Here you just need to be provide your gift card you attempt to redeem it here, then just click to the continue. Once you done, then it will convert your redeem card to your wallet. So let me give you a note that if your gift card you attempt to redeem is not in your currency, it will be automatically converted if redeemable in your region. Not all gift card currencies can be redeemed in all regions. So I hope you understand. So if you have any question related to this video, then ask me on the comment box. I am happy to assist you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.